Let's dive into the world of money, a realm filled with secrets, rules, and false beliefs. We're about to unveil the mindset contrasts between the wealthy and the poor. This journey explores 7 pivotal laws, profound beliefs and strategies embraced by the rich, often overlooked or misinterpreted by others. Prepare to challenge your financial perceptions and enter a sphere where wealth transforms from a distant dream to an achievable reality. Join us as we unravel 7 laws that will transform your outlook on wealth and reshape your path to financial success. Law number 1. Focus on earning versus saving. Poor people focus on saving. Rich people focus on earning. While saving is important, it's just one piece of the financial puzzle. The rich understand that you can't grow wealth by merely saving pennies. Their focus is on expanding their earning potential. They seek opportunities for income growth, invest in their skills, and look for ways to increase their revenue streams. It's a proactive approach to wealth, as opposed to the defensive strategy of merely saving. Law number 2. Non-linear thinking about money. Poor people think about money in linear terms. Rich people think about money in non-linear terms. The poor often see money as a direct result of time spent working. The rich, however, understand that wealth creation is not linear. They embrace concepts like passive income and compound interest, where money can grow independently of time spent working. This mindset allows them to make money in ways that are not directly tied to their labor. Law number 3. Money as a positive force. Poor people believe money is negative. Rich people believe money is positive. Many people view money with a sense of fear or moral judgment, believing that it can lead to corruption or unhappiness. The rich see money as a tool, a positive force for achieving goals, providing security and creating opportunities. This positive attitude towards money is crucial for making financial decisions that lead to wealth accumulation. Law number 4. Money earned through thought. Poor people believe money is earned through labor. Rich people believe money is earned through thought. Labor is traditionally viewed as the primary means of earning money. However, the rich understand that ideas and strategic thinking can be far more lucrative. They invest in their intellectual capital and use creativity and innovation to generate income. This approach to wealth generation emphasizes the power of the mind over the physical labor. Law number 5. Focus on making more money. Poor people worry about running out of money. Rich people think about how to make more money. Worrying about money leads to a scarcity mindset, which can be paralyzing. The rich, conversely, focus on abundance and possibility. They think strategically about how to generate more income and increase their wealth. This forward-thinking approach allows them to take calculated risks and seize opportunities that lead to financial growth. Law number 6. Money as an infinite resource. Poor people see money as a finite resource. Rich people see money as an infinite resource. Seeing money as limited leads to a competitive, hoarding mentality. However, viewing money as an infinite resource opens the door to generosity, collaboration, and the possibility of growing wealth. The rich understand that, with the right strategies, there's always more money to be made and more wealth to be generated. Law number 7. Rich people as strategic. Poor people believe rich people are shallow. Rich people believe rich people are strategic. There's a common misconception that the rich are rich because of superficial or unethical reasons. In reality, the rich often achieve their wealth through strategy, intelligence, and a deep understanding of the financial world. This strategic approach to wealth is about making smart decisions, not just having good fortune. Expanding on law number 1. Focusing solely on saving is like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. The rich prioritize earning because they know this leads to real wealth accumulation. They look for opportunities to increase their income, whether it's through higher paying jobs, starting a business, or investing in income-generating assets. The mindset shift here is to see potential in earning more, rather than just cutting back. Expanding on law number 2. The concept of non-linear financial growth is about making money work for you, rather than you working for money. The rich invest in assets that appreciate over time, or generate passive income. This could mean investing in stocks, real estate, or other ventures where money grows independently of active labor. It's about creating multiple streams of income that can flourish over time. Expanding on law number 3. This law is about reframing how you see money. Instead of viewing it as something that corrupts or complicates, see it as a tool for positive change. The rich use money to create opportunities, invest in their passions, and provide security for themselves and their loved ones. By seeing money as a positive force, it becomes easier to make decisions that drive financial growth. Expanding on law number 4. While physical labor is valuable, the rich understand that intellectual capital can be exponentially more rewarding. They invest in their education, stay updated with market trends, and constantly look for innovative ways to earn. This approach emphasizes thinking and strategizing over manual labor, leading to more sustainable and scalable forms of income. Expanding on Law 5, instead of being paralyzed by the fear of losing money, the rich focus on proactive strategies to increase their wealth. This means being open to new investment opportunities, starting businesses, or finding side hustles. It's about always being on the lookout for the next opportunity to grow your wealth. Expanding on Law 6, adopting an abundance mindset changes everything. The rich understand that money is not a zero-sum game. There's always more to be made. This mindset fosters creativity, collaboration, and growth, as opposed to the restrictive, fear-based approach of seeing money as finite. Expanding on Law 7. The final law highlights the importance of strategy in wealth building. The rich don't just stumble upon their wealth, they plan and strategize for it. This means setting financial goals, making informed investment decisions, and always looking for ways to optimize their financial health. Grasping and implementing these 7 laws marks the beginning of a dramatic shift in your financial journey. Wealth isn't solely about the actions you take with your money. It's deeply rooted in your mindset towards it. By embracing the thought processes and strategies of the wealthy, the pathway to financial prosperity and stability becomes clear. Keep in mind, mastering finances is a skill that can be developed and refined. Transform your financial landscape by altering your perceptions and consciously moving towards wealth creation. Let these laws be your guide. Push past old beliefs and embark on a transformative journey toward financial empowerment